Hello, my Dream Achievers family. Today we are on the day 5 of our successful routine rituals. Today I'm going to talk about a very important topic, that is procrastination. What is procrastination? Procrastination means to delay your task. It means to postpone your important task for a longer period of time. For example, when you start up with some work and suddenly you get a notification on your mail and you click your mail and suddenly you move to YouTube videos and further linking topics of YouTube videos get opened, or you get some WhatsApp on your phone and you start seeing the messages of your friends, or you enroll into some group. So this way you forget what the actual work you were processing, right? So this is a kind of procrastination. But successful people don't procrastinate, they don't delay their works, they prepare. Or we have talked about that we should prepare a to-do list one day earlier before our task to be done, right? So they do their work or they complete their task. So those successful people complete their task number one done, task number two it's done. So this way they complete their task and create a good impression on everybody that they are very punctual to do their task. This way you can attract and motivate other people, as well as you can attract good clients towards yourself as you are completing your projects and tasks on time. So let's talk about what else you can do to stop procrastination. First thing, whenever your task is done or you have completed your task, what you should do is treat yourself. That is, reward yourself. Either it with a small cup of coffee, or it could be with a movie, or it could be, half an hour spending time with your family members. So this way you have to reward yourself or treat yourself whenever you complete your task. This way you will get self motivation and you will appreciate your own tasks as they are completed on time. So the second way is always be passionate towards your work. Whatever you do it with your full enthusiasm and enjoy it. When you will enjoy your work, you will not feel fatigue or you will not get panic. On above, you will enjoy your work and you will complete your task very very soon as possible. Then it's we have talked that we should plan our day as before, one day before completion of them. And finally, and the best part of how to avoid procrastination is 5-second rule. This 5-second rule was actually is a book that is written by Mel Robbins, who used to procrastinate like we people in our daily routine lives do. So what is 5-second rule is, whenever you have to do some work, for example, then you have to wake up early in the morning, your alarm clock rings at 5, but what you do is you always postpone. Let me wake up after 5 minutes, I'll wake up after next 5 minutes, and this way you spend one more hour into the bed itself. So that is delaying of your task. And when you have to rush for your job work, at that time you are in a great hurry. So at that time what you have to do is you have to follow 5-second rule. You have to do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and out of the bed. It's like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and out of the. So this way you can stop procrastinating and make your days more productive and earning. Thank you, have a nice day.